Ni hao mga ka-venture, kumusta? You know, this vlog episode is so special to me and I want to share it with you guys. What made it special is because my inner child is healing in this moment. Why? Well, because Michael Learns to Rock will be having a concert here in Kauji Music Center and me and my sister are very avid fan of them since teenage days namin. Kaya naman nung nalaman namin na magko-concert sila dito sa Kaohsiung, sobrang inaabangan namin yung moment na ito. And this is it! Finally makikita na namin sila in person at maririnig na namin live yung boses nila at yung mga head songs nila. We are so very excited. We've been waiting for this and this is the moment. I-high speed ko na lang guys kasi para hindi tayo makopyright. So enjoy for watching!
And thank you for coming. Also, all of you out there. Oh,
Not so often. We felt we want to give you special thanks because I remember this was the first time, but you guys, we always felt a special connection to you guys because you understood our music the way it should be spoken in the beginning. You fell in love with the actor and our love songs. So thank you so much for that.
oh yes. Thank you for all these incredible moments. Thank you for still being with us today. It's really touching, and you don't know how proud it makes us. all three of us, to be standing here tonight with you guys. It's really amazing to see music, the power of music. It's a universal language. Thank you for coming tonight, and thank you for showing us that.
You could all just have stayed at home and watched TV. But you came here tonight and shared this with us, this moment here. It's amazing. You don't know how much we appreciate it. We want to thank every
a girl, and I really, really make her mine. I'm searching everywhere
Nali!
to ease the pain. My life, you should spend my life. Na na na. Baby, won't you tell me why? There's a sadness in.
At yun na hindi na kami nakaget over hanggang sa pag-uwi. Nasa isip pa rin namin yung mga kanta.
So beautiful and unforgettable experience. Yung akala namin na hanggang songs books at tagakinig lang kami sa radyo noon, pero may sorpresa pala yung buhay sa hinaharap. Yung imahinasyon lamang noon na tila'y nagkatotoo ngayon. Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam, napakat-nostalgic sa feelings, parang tuloy kaming nakabalik sa nakaraan kung saan napakasimple lang ng buhay, wala pang kakayang manood ng ganito at makita sila sa personal. And I thank you God for this beautiful opportunity you heals our inner child. As a avid fan, this moment we will never forget it. This is so special. And that's all, Kaventure. Until next time, thank you for watching. Jai Jen!